Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to PayPal. And once you have Binance opened up, come here, hover over trade, click on P2P. Okay, and here first you need to choose the cryptocurrency. So come here, choose BTC, choose the currency as USD, and you'll see all the payment methods. So depending on your location, you might even see PayPal. If you don't see PayPal, it's okay, there's a workaround. So we find the highest price. So come here, click on sell. Find the highest price. As you can see, these ones are the highest ones, but pick one with a lot of orders, good rating, and great completion percentage with the lowest time for release. Okay, so click on sell BTC. And if you do have, for example, these ones with bank transfer, go ahead and prefer selling to them, because what you can do is send it to the bank account that is linked to your PayPal and then add money through that. So set your payment method as bank transfer and then proceed with the transaction. Enter here the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, and then you'll see how much you'll receive in dollars. Really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.